Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Thursday, October 28th, 2021. Let's take a look at today's charts. At number one, we got BTC at $59,183.89, down 2.29%. Number two, Ethereum at $4,017.78, down 4.07%. Binance Coin number three, $457.16, down 5.09%. Number four, Tether, $1. Cardano number five, $1.95, down 8.8%. Number six, Solana, $185.48, down 10.30%. At number seven, XRP, 99 cents, down 11.07%. Polkadot at number eight, $40.13, down 10.05%. Number nine, Shiba Inu at 0.00008502, up 73.14%. That is crazy. And number 10, USD coin, $1. Wow. So let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So today, what we got is greed at 66. Yesterday was greed at 73. Last week was extreme greed at 84. And last month was extreme fear at 25. So let's take a look at our 5 articles for today. Article number 1 is Facebook whistleblower reveals crypto investment made her financially independent. Article 2, Bitcoin is under $60,000, but should traders sell or hold now? Article 3, why Polkadot, Solana, Binance Coin, and Cardano all plunged today. Article 4, will Ethereum's new all-time high bear the same results as it did in May? And last but not least, the main topic for today is someone bought $3,400 worth of SHIB last August. It's now worth $1.55 billion. Crazy. All right. Before we get into the articles, just want to say thank you so much to everyone that's been listening to the podcast, whether you're on Apple, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. And if you're in the YouTube space, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out greatly. So again, thank you so much for all your support. So let's get into it. What we got are a few different articles. We'll look at article 1, which is Facebook whistleblower reveals crypto investment made her financially independent. So what we got is Facebook's former product manager and whistleblower, Frances Haugen, have revealed that she is an early investor in cryptocurrencies. In an interview with the New York Times, Haugen indicated that her investment has partly contributed to her becoming financially independent. Haugen, currently residing in Puerto Rico, stated that she would be in the territory for the foreseeable future, thanks to her strategic investment in digital currencies. She added that her decision to move to Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory, was motivated by her desire to join other crypto friends. For the foreseeable future, I'm fine, because I did buy the crypto at the right time, she said, without revealing the specific cryptocurrencies. Haugen made headlines after claiming that Facebook knowingly spread controversial and insensitive information, and what it is misinformation. According to Haugen, she still holds numerous confidential research documents that allegedly highlights Facebook's motive to prioritize profit over well-being of users. In her testimony, Haugen also insinuated that the social media giant changed its algorithms, causing more societal division. The changes allegedly made people keep logging on to the platform. Puerto Rico attracting crypto investors and businesses. Puerto Rico has attracted cryptocurrency investors who aim to take advantage of the jurisdiction's relaxed tax laws in recent years. Recently, crypto firms, including the hedge fund Pantera Capital and NFT marketplace SuperRare, shifted operations from New York and Silicon Valley to Puerto Rico. Notably, the island has a hands-off approach to capital gains, income, and business taxes, attracting more investors to the jurisdiction. On the contrary, U.S. residents are required to file gains acquired from holding cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, investors like Haugen only need to reside in the country for 183 days a year to benefit from the relaxed tax laws. They're also required to show other evidence of local residencies, like obtaining local bank accounts, driver license, and voter registrations. So there you guys have it. Facebook whistleblower reveals crypto investment made her financially independent. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Let's take a look at Article 2. Bitcoin is under $60,000, but should traders sell or hold now? Another curveball is being thrown at the crypto industry right now, with Bitcoin and Co. collectively bleeding on the charts. With Bitcoin dropping below $60,000, there might be a little bit of panic settling in. However, it is important to analyze the market on a more structural and on-chain level to estimate the situation. This will be crucial to assessing whether it is a short-term anomaly or long-term correction. A descending triangle breach for Bitcoin. According to the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's descending triangle faced a breach at press time after the support of $60,000 was tested on 3 previous occasions. On the 18th, 23rd, and 24th, BTC bounced back from the immediate support. However, this time the support fell, with the next support range established between 58K and 55K. The possibility of a drop to $50,000 could not be ignored. Is it time to panic sell or hold tight? So Bitcoin's entity adjusted ASOL, 7-day exponential moving average, the on-chain analysis did suggest old coins were on the move since the Bitcoin ASOL spiked up to 43 days. It indicated that older coins held by long-term holders are getting distributed across the market. However, there are other long-term narratives that should be kept in mind. Glassnode revealed that the spent volume age bands still represent a significant Bitcoin on-chain movement, as older coins were only 6% at press time. Additionally, the actual coin volume spent by LTHs was less than 3% of the accumulated balance since May 2021. This means that even though LTHs are taking out profits, it is not a mass exodus. What should investors look out for? Well, during every bullish cycle, these profit-taking windows are a natural occurrence. It was observed during the beginning of January, middle of February, and the 3rd week of April. Therefore, it isn't time to panic sell any assets brought over the past week or month. For Bitcoin to undergo a bearish reversal, a daily candle has to close below $50,000 to revise the market structure and evaluate the following direction. At the time of writing, the long-term bullish narrative for Bitcoin seemed firmly intact. Buying pressure may push the price back up over the next week. So what do you guys think about this? Bitcoin is under $60,000, but should traders sell or hold now? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Are you going to hold or are you going to buy? Or what do you think is the main thing you want to do? HODL forever or take profits or panic sell? Comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, let's take a look at Article 3. Why Polkadot, Solana, Binance Coin, and Cardano all plunged today. So what happened? A little air came out of the cryptocurrency balloon today, and altcoins are feeling most of the pain. Bitcoin is down nearly 6% as of 3:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but lesser known coins have fallen more than double digits today. In the last 24 hours alone, Polkadot has fallen 8.1%, Binance Coin is off 6.4%, and Solana has plunged 9.7%, and Cardano is down 9.3%. So what? The move today has largely been blamed on traders taking profits in all cryptocurrencies, which have, for the most part, had a strong run over the past month. You can see below that each crypto mentioned above outside of Cardano is up over 20% in the past month. The move higher has been driven by a launch of a Bitcoin futures ETF and talk with the US regulators about putting formal rules in place for cryptocurrencies, which would give them more legitimacy. What we haven't seen yet is much action that could increase the utility of any of these coins. What's challenging for investors right now is that there was very little fundamental news driving cryptocurrencies higher in October. And by the same token, there's little news driving the market lower today. But there's red cross the board, and it appears selling the news of the Bitcoin futures ETF has continued this week. So now what? Days like today are the risk investing in cryptocurrencies. The market can go up and down at a moment's notice, and when there's momentum in one direction or another, it's hard to stop. Making things worse for altcoins is that it's unlikely every coin will have value long term. Some investors think cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are a store of value, while others think that they have utility for buying or selling things. But if people are using a variety of coins, it's hard to have a standard for either. Right now, this dynamic has meant that speculators are driving the price of cryptocurrencies and altcoins in particular. Today's drop is a reminder that these speculators can move in and out of a cryptocurrency quickly, which is why we see so much volatility. Different cryptocurrencies have different functionality behind them, and I think investors need to be clear what their investment thesis is on any given cryptocurrency. That may be as a store of value or as a utility, but buying just because a cryptocurrency is going up or because you like the name is a bad investment. Thesis. Long term is cryptocurrencies that add value in one form or another that will survive, so buyers should beware of buying anything and something they don't understand. So, what do you guys think? Why Polkadot, Solana, Binance Coin, and plunge today? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Okay, I just want to take the time to say thank you so much to everyone that's been subscribed and also have given me any messages or also comments about my Crypto Take podcast and YouTube video. It's still fairly been about 6 months already since I've been doing this, and I've been getting a lot of feedback and a lot of recommendations. So thank you so much. One thing I do ask is if you can help me out, just like, share, and subscribe if you can, and please share it with a bunch of your friends or family members that want unbiased news about cryptocurrency. Again, if you like listening to the podcast, I'm at Apple, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. So again, thank you so much. Okay, let's get into it. Article 4. Will Ethereum's new all-time high bear the same results as it did in May? After months of waiting, Ethereum finally accomplished what investors had been waiting for by hitting $4,361 on the charts. ETH marked a new all-time high and joined the league of cryptos that have already registered new all-time highs of their own. However, the question remains, will Ethereum continue to act bullish going forward, or will it react the same way as it did back in May? Ethereum and $4,200. Ethereum's new all-time high might have come around the same time as other altcoins' all-time high. However, unlike some of the rest, Ethereum's wasn't a result of random hype. The altcoin leader has been rising consistently throughout the month, and consequently, it breached the long-standing resistance of $4,200. The hike was also backed by investors who have become very active this month with almost 560,000 addresses operating. The addresses that had been dormant for almost 5 months now are back and are actively trading. However, not all of them are actively buying to hodl. Richer addresses, those who are holding more than 100 ETH, have been distributing their holdings. Some of them did so throughout the month, and some just acted recently. However, the falling supply on exchanges shows that the selling is constantly being bought back by retail traders. Surprisingly, these rich cohorts are not long-term hodlers selling, but just regular traders, because most of the ETH hodlers are continuing to hodl their assets, and in fact, recently joined investors are also looking to follow suit. Since the beginning of this month, 6 to 12-month hodlers dominance has grown by 10% to 33%, and 1 to 3 million holders are now at 8.7% and rising. Thus, the idea of hodling will always play in favor as it stabilizes a price fall, the likes of which we are seeing multiple times by ETH this year. However, investors need to continue this behavior further since only 0.103% of ETH supply is not in profit. And 99.897% of which is in profit is going to mark a market top as high as it did back in May. Ergo, hopefully, whatever and whenever corrections take place, it won't be as bad as May. After all, at the time of writing, some corrections were around, with ETH falling sharply towards $4,000 on the charts. While Bitcoin fell too, according to journalist Colin Wu, this fall may be affected by the fall in the stock market. The Asia Pacific stock market fell sharply, and US stocks also fell before the market. So, What do you guys think about this article? Will Ethereum's new all-time high bear the same results as it did in May? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you hold any ETH in your portfolio? All right, let's take a look at our last topic today. It is called Someone Bought $3,400 worth of SHIB last August. It's now worth $1.55 billion. A SHIB holder who spent $3,400 on the meme coin last August is now a crypto billionaire from that purchase alone, with the asset gaining 9.8% over the past year. I don't even know what that is in numbers, but an address with the foresight to purchase $3,400 worth of Shiba Inu last August has seen the value of the coins grow to a whopping $1.55 billion today. In total, the unknown person has bought SHIB 44 times since August 2020, with 3,200 the largest purchase at any one time, and their total holding of 70,200,000,000,000 3,107,594 SHIB is now worth $5.63 billion. After the wallet address was shared on Twitter, user Untraceable questioned whether the SHIB market was liquid enough to absorb $5.7 billion if this wallet sells. According to Etherscan, the anonymous SHIB holder purchased the dog-themed token on 9 occasions in August 2020, spending a total of $3,400 worth of wrapped Ethereum that month. As the price of SHIB has since gained more than 94,278,239.8% over the past year to sit at 0.0000894 at the time of writing, the holder has become a crypto billionaire from their August purchases alone. According to the data from CoinGecko, the total market cap of SHIB is now worth $40.3 billion. The asset's mammoth 1,063% gain in value over the past 30 days has seen SHIB oust the beloved Dogecoin it was modeled on as a top 10 ranked coin. Joel Weisenthal tweeted, by CoinGecko's measurement, SHIB has definitely flipped Doge, an absolutely historic day for meme coins. At the time of writing, SHIB is currently ranked 9th, while Doge is sitting at 11th with a market cap of 31.6 billion. The flipping of Doge has sparked a new meme online in which people are calling Dogecoin a boomer meme coin. Earlier today, Cointelegraph's market team reported on 3 reasons behind the bullish moment of SHIB, pointing towards an increase of user access via listings on multiple crypto exchanges, the launch of the Shiba Inu's own NFT project dubbed Shiboshis, and surge in futures open interest on multiple exchanges, including OKX, FTX, and Huobi. While SHIB has seen a meteoric rise of late, Doge's appreciation fails to match up in comparison, with the elder meme coin gaining a mere 18.5% over the past 30 days to sit at 23 cents. So what do you guys think about someone bought $3,400 worth of SHIB last August? It is now worth $1.55 billion. Wow. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you wish that you bought SHIB last August? And if you did, do you think that it would be like this by this time around this year? All right, let's take a look at the prices one last time before we head out. Number one, BTC is at $59,000, $59,037. Ethereum is at $4,017. Binance Coin, $456. Tether, $1. Cardano, $1.93. Solana, $189.67. XRP, $1.01. Shiba Inu, 0.00075554, and Polkadot, $41. And last but not least, USD coin at 99 cents. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for listening into the podcast and watching the YouTube video. Again, this is Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Catch me on Apple, Spotify, Google Podcast, and leave a like, share, and subscribe in the YouTube videos. Until then, please have a great crypto day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.